Hey guys, Eric Passa here from Radius Fitness. Today I'm going to show you how to use the neck head harness from DMoose Fitness. So first, a couple things to point out ahead of time. You got two D-rings on either side. This is used for the actual chain that will be supporting the weight that you're going to be using. And then you also have two Velcro straps, one on the bottom and then one on the back. So the back is going to be to secure the circumference of your head. So this one's already preset for me, but in determining the preset, all you'll do is you'll undo it and you'll tighten the buckle accordingly to your head size. Okay, so once it's secure for your head size there, you're gonna strap it on. Make sure the DMoose logo faces forward. Then you're gonna take the bottom buckle, strap it underneath your chin. Okay, and then make sure that you always have the weight supported on the ground or on your lap or either one. Just make sure it's not free hanging before you attach it, right? I'm gonna slip the chain through the weight I'm using. I'm attaching it to the D-ring. I'm going to take the weight with me as I come to the top position so there's no tension on my neck already. And once I'm going to be in position, so this is a bent over position I'm taking for the neck harness, I'm going to slowly allow that weight to be taken, and then I'm going to perform my neck exercises. Going into flexion and extension, slowly, deliberately. Once you're done, take the tension of the weight, and that is how you use the neck head harness from DMoose Fitness.